down on American flag. Jesus, go. We're waiting for McDonald's. Charles. We're waiting for them to bring out our food.